This website is still paying. Yes, that's the answer. If you're here for the answer, you got it right away. Look at the withdrawals here. November 19, 2025, November 12, 2025, October 27, 2025, and so on. And they've been live since 2016. Not many websites that are offering PTC, you're getting paid to click, are still live. But adbtc has been pretty robust, and what they're offering is very simple. You can basically surf ads, you get paid per click. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. You solve the CAPTCHA, and then you see you can get Bitcoin from just $5. Then the advertisers here get a chance to promote their product. Once you open the page, basically, which is bit2ru.com over here, then you're basically exposed to something new. And this is the amount of seconds you have to wait. Once the timer runs out, that's it, you get paid 4.2 satoshis, and now you get extra 1.4. And then you can continue earning as long as you have those opportunities here, and so on. So you see Agilyway 2 doesn't say much, but somebody wanted to basically post it like this, so you can see it here, and you're exposed to another advertiser. And this way, advertisers are getting the exposure just like a TV commercial, and you're getting paid in satoshis, Bitcoin satoshis. If you want to advertise as well, just like we did a while ago, you can click on Surf Ads for advertising. You can see advertisements we placed in the site. For instance, that's freenem.com or coinfaucet.io. And basically you see that you can advertise your own product. You're getting exposure. You need to remember, by the way, these guys are pretty big. Right now, the registered users online is 1,081. So you're getting a good exposure for something that you might work for you, might not. You have to try it. Video ads, at least in the US, doesn't look like there are video ads over here. Maybe it's in the CIS region. And you can try surf ads basically for Tether, not for you, not for Bitcoin, because some advertisers don't like paying with Bitcoin because it has more fees and costs more, things like that. So they just using Tether, and here you can see the same thing, or in a Russian currency, which you can use with Payeer, and you can use Payeer, Payeer, basically to convert the Payeer to Bitcoin. Although they did mention on the screen something like this, that they converting the balance automatically. So they might do it as well to avoid the hassles for the users, which is pretty new. You can also buy referrals from the referral markets. So let's say you want to invest in a referral that already earned some 72 satoshis and you think like it's worth investing it, then you can just pay 9,000 satoshis and then it will be your referral. Or you can see also the activity of your own referrals if you're referring others, which is pretty good idea. So here, this is the amount of referrals we have, and this is the link we use. Promo code, by the way, if you hear for any promo code for Faucet, just reminding you, adbtc.top. So just take the adbtc without the top. Adbtc for the promo code. And reminding you that we have 20 sites. So if you visit them, it could be freenem, Coin Faucet, and you can scroll down to see all the rest when you visit any of the sites, whether you're using a PC or mobile. And the amount of registered users online is always updating here. And back to the referral system. So you can see basically some referrals they're earning a little bit, some they don't earn anything, and some of them from time to time they earn more. There could be one more active, one less active, etc. And the same thing you can do with a referral market if you feel like you just want to buy and invest. And this way, you can see, for instance, this guy, he registered in 2017, and basically he earned so far 170,000 satoshis. So you would get pretty good amount for it, and it's up to you. to decide it could be a good investment. The system is very straightforward. They don't cheat, they don't scam. You can see that they always paying on time, and whenever you request a payment, they are processing it. Even 6 months ago, years ago, these guys are legit. So definitely highly recommended. If you like this kind of content, please comment below. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. As always, thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.